Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to install Windows Subsystem for Android with Amazon Appstore on Windows 11. So sit back, relax and let's dive into the world of knowledge and excitement together. Before installing the Windows Subsystem for Android with the Amazon Appstore on Windows 11, let's check out the system requirements. This is my system specification and make sure your Windows 11 is up to date. If you are using Windows 11 Home Edition, then you have to switch to the Pro Edition. Make sure the Intel Virtualization Technology or AMD SVM mode is enabled from the BIOS. Now enable the virtual machine platforms and Hyper-V from turn Windows features on or off. Windows Subsystem for Android requires virtual machine platforms and Hyper-V to be enabled. This is features only available on Windows 11 Pro Edition. Once done, restart the computer. Now copy the link from the video description box and paste into the new tab. After that, download and install the Windows Subsystem for Android. Once the Windows Subsystem for Android is installed, open it and you will be prompted to install the Amazon Appstore. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete the installation. After installing the Amazon Appstore, you'll need to set up your Amazon account to access the Amazon Appstore or create a new one and start downloading your favorite Android apps on Windows. Remember to always keep your system and applications updated for optimal performance and security. Enjoy using the Windows Subsystem for Android with the Amazon Appstore on your Windows 11. That's it for now. Thank you for watching our YouTube video. We hope that you enjoyed the content and found it both informative and engaging. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this one. Until next time, learning, growing, and spreading positivity.